Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 microphone not detecting problem. First method is click Start, Settings. Click Privacy and Security. Click Microphone. Turn on microphone access, also turn on let apps access your microphone. Second method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Sound. Open Recording tab. Check Show Disabled Devices and also check Show Disconnected Devices. Select Microphone, click Set Default, click Properties. Select Use this device enable, click Levels tab. Change to Maximum and enable speaker icon. Click Communications tab, check Do Nothing, click Apply, click OK. Third method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand microphone, click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers, click Search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Fourth method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand audio inputs and outputs, right-click microphone, click Update Driver, click Browse My Computer for drivers, click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select microphone model, click Next. Fifth method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand audio inputs and outputs, right-click microphone, click Uninstall device, click Uninstall, after uninstall restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.